India versus Pakistan. Kohli is ready for facing Malinga's ball. Kohli is ready for batting and Malinga is ready for bowling. Kohli is aggressive batsman and Malinga is a pace bowler. Malinga is running for bowling. Kohli is ready for batting. Kohli is off the mark. What a six, what a placement, what a timing. What a boundary, what a placement, what a timing. Kohli has completed 50 matches. Malinga has completed 25 wickets. 4 over gone. India is 45. India versus New Zealand. Subhas Gill is ready for facing Shane Bond's ball. Subhas Gill is ready for batting and Shane Bonds is ready for bowling. Subhas Gill is aggressive batsman and Shane Bonds is a pace bowler. Shane Bonds is running for bowling and Subhas Gill is ready for batting. Subhas Gill is off the mark. What a six, what a placement, what a timing. What a boundary, what a placement, what a timing. Subhas Gill has completed 45 matches. Shane Bond has completed 30 wickets. 9 overs gone. India is 30. India versus Australia. Rohit Sharma is ready for facing Mohammad Shami's ball. Rohit Sharma is ready for batting and Mohammad Shami is ready for bowling. Rohit Sharma is aggressive batsman and Mohammad Shami is a pace bowler. Mohammad Shami is running for bowling. Rohit Sharma is ready for batting. Rohit Sharma is off the mark. What a six, what a placement, what a timing, what a boundary, what a placement, what a timing. Rohit Sharma has completed 25 matches. Mohammad has completed 20 wickets. 10 overs gone. India is 100. New Zealand versus Australia. Sarfaraz Khan is ready for facing Michael Johnson's ball. Sarfaraz Khan is ready for batting. Michael Johnson is ready for bowling. Sarfaraz Khan is aggressive batsman and Michael Johnson is a pace bowler. Michael Johnson is running for bowling. Sarfaraz Khan is ready for batting. Sarfaraz Khan is off the mark. What a six, what a placement, what a timing. What a boundary, what a placement, what a timing. Sarfaraz Khan has completed 55 matches. Michael Johnson has completed 20 wickets. 10 overs gone. New Zealand is 25. India versus England. Dhoni is ready for facing Shoaib Akhtar's ball. Dhoni is ready for batting and Shoaib Akhtar is ready for bowling. Dhoni is cool batsman and Shoaib Akhtar is a pace bowler. Shoaib Akhtar is running for bowling. Dhoni is ready for batting. Dhoni is off the mark. What a six, what a placement, what a timing. What a boundary, what a placement, what a timing. Dhoni has completed 35 matches. Shoaib Akhtar completed 30 wickets. 50 overs gone. India is 105.